Prima at the village grocery. This is the place Prima selalu datang beli barang. And like especially my chicken, Prima likes to eat organic chicken. So Prima akan selalu datang sini lah. Just make sure my kids eat healthy food like organic, especially goes to chicken. Okay, Prima take organic chicken now. Prima take chicken. Buang kulit buang kulit, potong kecil. Okay, thank you. Apa daddy? Go and get something else. Yeah, okay. So Prima pun dah beli and then nak balik dah. Bye guys. So this is the place that Prima datang selalu beli barang rumah. Village grocery. It's very hygiene. Okay, very clean. Okay guys, that's it. Bye.
Welcome back to my channel, Prima Spices Home Cook. Okay, Prima hari ni nak masak pasta, okay? So Prima akan masak tortellini and also the gravy, the pasta sauce ya, guys. Okay, Prima tengah rebus untuk tortellini air ni. Okay guys, Prima akan masukkan pasta ni dalam air rebusan. Okay, Prima rebus tortellini ni dalam masa 4 ke 6 minit ya, guys. So, biar dia mendidih, biar dia masak dalam 5 to 6 minit ya. Cook this pasta for 5 to 6 minutes ya, guys. So, meantime, Prima akan masak sauce for tortellini. Guys, Prima akan masak tortellini ni for 5 to 6 minutes. So, meantime, Prima akan masak sauce ni, okay? Okay, guys. So, Prima akan masukkan olive oil ya, guys. Masuk ke dalam 2 sudu setengah. Okay. Okay, guys. Minta Prima akan masukkan dalam 1,5 sudu butter ya. Okay. You can use any butter, unsalted or not salted butter lah. Okay, it's your wish. Ikut cita rasa sendiri. Prima tengah prepare pasta sauce ya, for this tortellini sauce. Okay guys, Prima akan masukkan 1 bawang merah, nasi hitam potong kecil. Okay, stir fry for 3 minutes. Okay, goreng selama 3 minit. Bawang merah. Okay, tortellini ni dah rebus. Sekarang nak toskan air dia. Okay, at this moment Prima akan masukkan 3 ulas bawang putih. Okay, macam kecil. Ini for 45 seconds for 45 seconds. Ada sekejap je lah ya, guys. Okay guys, so Prima akan masukkan cooking cream ya, guys. Okay, Prima dah masuk cooking cream ni 1 box. Okay guys, so just stir. Okay guys, just stir for 2 minutes. Sampai dia pekat ni guys. And as well Prema masukkan satu sudu makan, macam satu sudu ambil kari lah, sendok kari, air rebusan tadi pasta. Ini dia. Okay, Prema akan masukkan sedikit Maggi cukup rasa ya guys. Prema akan masukkan sedikit pepper ya. Okay guys, so sekarang Prema akan masukkan dalam satu tangkai lah, okay, pudina ya, daun pudina. Okay baby sayang. Okay guys, at this moment Prema akan masukkan pasta dia So just gaul je. Guys, Prema akan tambahkan sedikit lagi black pepper. Dah pun siap pasta sauce ni, tortellini. Okay, so that's it, easy. Okay guys, dah pun siap tortellini pasta with sauce bawang putih. Please try it at home and see you all guys for the next recipe akan datang.